guys, thanks for watching. I'm Soumya and welcome to my channel Soumya's Book Station. On this channel I spread all the book love that I can, so if you are a reader or want to begin the habit of reading, do hit that subscribe button and also do not forget to press the bell icon so that every time I post a video you get notified. In today's video, I am going to review a book that I had been meaning to read since it came out, and I finally read it and I'm ready to talk about it, and that book is Pajamas Are Forgiving by Twinkle Khanna. So let's get into the video. Pajamas Are Forgiving by Twinkle Khanna is the story of a 40-something Anshu who has gone to an Ayurvedic spa in Kerala named Shantamaya Sthalam. She has gone there because she has trouble falling asleep at night. So Anshu's plan is to stay at the Ayurvedic spa for 28 days, detoxify herself, gain her equilibrium back. But this seemingly simple plan gets disrupted when her ex-husband along with his young wife also arrive at the Shantamaya Sthalam spa. So the first instinct that Anshu has is to run away from the spa because it's obviously very awkward for her, but then she decides that she will not let her ex-husband and his young wife get the better of her, and she decides to stay on, and from here the story progresses. Now, talking about the characters of the story, now Anshu is the protagonist of the story and the story has been told from her perspective. So she is a 40-something woman who owns a play school in Mumbai, and also she is a divorcee. Now Anshu's character is far from idle. In fact, you are very easily able to see her flaws and weaknesses, which makes her character very real. But at the same time, despite the fact that she's flawed, she's a nice person. A lot of times in the book you feel really sympathetic towards her, but a lot of times her actions also frustrate you. But at the same time, understanding the situation her character was in, I did not have the heart to judge her character. Apart from Anshu, there are other inmates at the spa. Some of them are foreigners. There is this foreign girl named Jenna. Then there is this gay couple from Bangalore. Obviously there is her ex-husband Jay and his current wife Shalini. There is Vivan, there are the therapists. So you get to read about all these characters as and when Anshu interacts with them. Now, talking about how I like this book. So as I told you that the story has been told from Anshu's point of view, so we get to read her perspective in the book. So one gets to read her thought process behind her decisions and actions, but that doesn't really influence your opinion as a reader. For example, there were things in this book that she was doing that I thought were not right. She was taking wrong decisions, and even though I was reading her perspective, I still disagreed with her, and because of that her character ended up frustrating me more than once in this book. But at the same time, while reading this book, I realized that I was reading the story of a woman who's strong, but at the same time she's lonely and also vulnerable. So even though I got irritated by her, I still ended up feeling sad for her, sympathetic for her, and to an extent even empathetic. As a female, I would like to say that this story resonated with me to some extent because of Anshu's experiences. Also, there are experiences of another girl in this book named Jenna, and this book is also a prime example of how sometimes loneliness can bring out the most pathetic side of a human being, things we wouldn't think of doing otherwise, but when we are lonely and vulnerable, we really keep our self-respect at stake. The pace of the story is neither fast nor is it slow. Basically, it has presented the events that take place during Anshu's 28-day stay at the spa, but the way the events have been presented is very interesting and engaging. I would say for the most part you do not get bored. The overall vibe of this book is quite somber, but yeah, it does have really witty dialogues and observations from time to time that make you smile. This is a book that makes you think, it makes you angry, and it makes you sympathize with Anshu. If you have been through heartbreak and if you have been vulnerable and lonely, then her character will seem relatable to you in one way or the other. So according to me, this book contains a serious story, but it has a breezy side to it as well. So let me know in the comment section if you have already read this book or if you plan to pick it up or not. I would love to hear from you guys. So if you want to get your hands on Pajamas Are Forgiving by Twinkle Khanna, I'll leave the link for that in my description box. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found my review useful. If you want to connect with me on my social media, the links are in the description box. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.